Okay guys, part 2. Tins and bottles of oil, so Cuprinol good make, 3/4 full, teak oil, Danish oil half full, so they were cheap. I've got a brass, I guess you call it piano hinge, but yeah, solid brass seems to be. Falcon hacksaw, well used, but yeah, very usable condition. A strapped lath hammer. Unfortunately, one of the straps is broken, but it was really cheap. I might do something with that in the future. And hammers, well, we all like an Estwing. This one's very dried out, and yeah, I don't know, 16 ounce maybe, but we all know these will clean up well. A nice little project for the future. Okay, so these are made by Draper, small bolt cutters or hard wire cutters. There's a little lock thing missing, but I don't think that'll stop them from working. You guys will have to tell me. I think the channel locks, they're the same colour. Handles made in the USA, but there's no stamp or writing on there. Anyway, they seem well made. A breaker bar, no name breaker bar. Actually, I picked up all 4 of these, 2 knives, 2 Bahcos, and some blades for this knife for a £5. No name 3/8 ratchet. This looks a bit homemade to me. I don't know if it is, but another little engineer's clamp. Hang on. There, so that's made by Chatwin, made in England. And looking at the jaws, hardly any wear on them really. Nice little scribe, made by Ellipse, British. I mean, hardly any use on that. Just a spot of rust. Last but not least, 3 nice little brass padlocks, made in England stay lock. That one says TUTIUS. Yeah, they work. 1 key, 1 key and 2 keys. Right, stay tuned guys, there'll be some more rubbish along soon, and maybe I'll get a project or 2 finished. Don't know what's going to come next. Cheers.